morning students, I am your English teacher and today's topic is singular and plural nouns. In the last video of English, I have taught you about noun, what is noun and how many types of nouns and kinds of noun. है ना? Yes, first of all we will revise the meaning of the definition of noun. Yes students, everything has a name in this world and all names are naming words, like the name of your teacher, the name of yours, and the name of anything, the name of any person, the name of any animal, and the name of month, the name of day, the name of anything you have. Okay, here we are talking about singular and plural nouns, and I had taught you about countable and uncountable nouns also. Yes students, we are talking about singular and plural and countable and uncountable nouns. Let's start our today's video. So we use countable nouns to make singular and plural. Okay, because the uncountable nouns cannot be counted, है ना? So we use countable nouns for singular to make singular and plural. So students, we will start singular and plural. First of all, we will learn the meaning of singular and plural. Singular means one. Okay, and plural means many of anything. Okay, many of anything and one of anything. Yes, singular means one and plural means many. Like when we have a pen or pencil, this is only one pencil. Okay, and when we have one pencil, then we write pencil, and then we have many pencils, then we will write pencils for many. Okay, pencils. Like this. There are many rules to make plurals of singulars. So we will learn the rules of making plurals. Yes students, generally we add s to make plural, है ना? Generally we add s at the end of noun to make plural. Okay, so first of all we will learn these type of plurals. Okay, like tree are some nouns, and now we have to make plural of it. Okay, of each and every noun. Tree, yes, we can add at the end of this noun to make plural, like this. Tree, trees. If you have one tree, then you will write tree. If you have many trees, then you will write trees. Boy, boys. Okay. If there is only one boy in the class, then we write boy, and if there are many boys in the class, then we will write boys. Yes, like this. Pencils. If we have many pencils, then we write pencils. We add s at the end of noun. Pen, pens. Car, cars. Toy, toys. Okay, and doll, dolls. Okay, students, write them in your notebook. Tree, trees. Boy, boys. Pencil, pencils. Pen, pens. Car, cars. Toy, toys. Doll, doll. If you have any noun that ends with S, CH, SH, X or Z, then what will you do to make plural? Yes, here is a question. Here a question arises that what will you do to make plural if the noun ends with S, CH, SH or X, like box. Okay, then what will you do to make plural of it? If you have church, then what will you do to make plural? And quiz, and brush, dress. Yes, students, here are some nouns, and here are some nouns that are ending with X, CH, Z, SH and S. So students, yes, tell me what will you do to make plural of these type of nouns? Yes students, if the noun ends with S, CH, SH and X or Z, then we will add ES at the end of noun, at the end of that noun, like this. Box, we will add ES, boxes. Church, churches. Okay, then quiz, quizzes. Then brush, brushes. Correct? Dress, dresses. We will add ES at the end of these type of nouns which are ending with X, CH, Z, SH and or S. Okay students? Yes. If the noun ends with S, CH, SH, Z and X, then we will add ES at the end of these type of nouns. Clear to all? Now we will learn some more rules. If we have some nouns end with F or FE, then what will we do? What will we do to make plurals of these type of nouns? Yes students, if we have some nouns end with F or FFE, then we will add V. We will add E instead of F and FE. Okay, we will change F and FE to V. To V, to make plural. Okay, to make plurals. Some nouns end with F or FE, then you have to change F and FE to V to make plurals. Okay, like this. For example, if we have a noun like thief. For example, if we have thief, this noun ends with the f. So what will we do to make plural? Yes, we change f to v. We change f to v and make the plural like this. Yes, thif. No, we do not add. We do not write f. We use v. We use v instead of f. Okay, we use v instead of f to make plural of thief like this. Thieves. Yes. Remember this thing always. If we have any noun like this, which are ending with f or fe, then we replace f to v. Okay. Then we use v instead of f to make plural. Okay. Like this thief, and knife. Okay. Because the knife always ends with fe. We can write knife. What is the spelling of knife? K-N-I-F-E, knife. You all have knife in the kitchen at your home? Yes, knife. And we will make the plural of knife like this. K-N-I-F. No. We will add V to make plural instead of F-E. Knives. Okay. We have to make, when we make plural thief and knife, when we make the plural of thief and knife, then we add v instead of f and add es. Add es, ves. We have to add ves to make plurals of thief and knife. Okay. If the noun ends with f and fe, then we will add ves at the end of the noun, at the end of that noun instead of f. f के प्लेस पर, fe के प्लेस पर आपको v को ऐड करना है. Clear to all? Clear? Now making the plurals from singular. Drop. Yes students, drop the y. Yes students, you have to drop the y and add ies if the letter in front of y represents a consonant sounds. If the letter y represents a consonant sounds, then we have to drop y and add ies like this, like baby, babies. Then we will write babies. Yes, a consonant sound here. That's why we will add ies at the end of this noun. Okay, like this. Penny. Yes, penny. Penny is the currency of other country. Okay, penny. Penny, penny, penny. Baby, penny. A, baby and penny. Now we will add ies to make plural of it. Pennies. Clear to all? Are some other nouns have some tricky plurals, like, now I will write on the board, like if we have a noun man, if we have this word man, then we will make plural of it like this. The plural of man is man. Yes students, if we have man noun, then we will change the vowel in between this word. Okay, a is the vowel in between of this word, so we will change a to make the plural of man. Okay, so we will change a to make the plural of man. Okay, man, man. As well as if we have woman, woman, one means singular. Women, then we will make plural of women to change the vowel. Okay, we use e instead of a. Okay, we will use e instead of a. As well as if we have child, you all know about the meaning of child. Child means one child, one kid. Okay, one child, one kid. And when we will make the plural of child, then we will add ren at the end of child to make the plural of child. Child, children. Child means one child, one bacha, and children means many. Like you all people. Okay, children, child, children. As well as when we have mouse, then what will we do to make plural? Yes, we will change the vowels. We will change the vowels to make plurals. OU. These are vowels, and we will change the vowels. Okay. Mice. Yes. The plural of mouse is mice. As well as when we have tooth. What is the meaning of tooth? What is the meaning of tooth? One tooth. Only one da. Okay. Tooth. We have teeth na? We have many teeth. And we have many teeth in the mouth. And tooth means one. And teeth means many teeth. Yes. You all know about we have many teeth in our mouth. Okay. We have 32 teeth in our mouth. That's why foot means like your lower part of your leg. This is foot. This is only one foot. And if we you all know we have two foot, है ना? We have two legs. So as you know, we have two foot. We have two feet, not foot. Foot only one, and feet many feet. Okay. Now we will when we make plural of food, then we change the vowels in between of this noun. Food, feet, tooth, teeth. Okay. Men, women, child, children, mouse, mice, tooth, teeth, foot, feet. Clear to all? As well as if we have goose, yes, then we will change the vowels. Okay, we will change the vowels of this noun, and we will write geese, double E, goose, geese. Yes, students, there are some singular and plurals. There are some nouns, and we can make the plurals to change some nouns that do not have plurals. Okay, like Caesar. Yes, Caesar always in pair. Caesar always in pair. Like because Caesar. Okay, because Caesar के two always pair में होती है. Caesar is always in pair. That's why we write Caesars. Caesar. We can't say Caesar. Okay, we can't say Caesar. We say हम क्या कहते हैं? We say Caesars. We say Caesars always, not Caesar. Okay, we say Caesars because it is always in pair. Okay, like trousers. Trousers always are in pair. है ना? You have two legs and pair. That's why we do not have any plural of trousers. Okay, and Furniture. Furniture. Because furniture. Okay. News. News is always plural number. And luggage. Luggage do not have any plural. Okay, these are some nouns that do not have any. Some nouns that the singular and plural forms are always same. Like sheep. If we have one sheep, then we write sheep. If we have many sheep, then we write sheep again, because we do not use s, es, ves, ies at the end of this type of word. Sheep, got. We do not use s, got, many got. Okay, got. Deer. Okay, we use as it is in plural form. We use the noun. We use these nouns as it is in plural form. Okay, students. Sheep. Got. Deer. Okay. So, students, now I will write some plural and singulars on. Here are some singular and plural forms on the board, and you have to write them in your notebook. Now I will read to you. Tree, trees. Boy, boys. Girl, girls. Class, classes. Leaf, leaves. Knife, knives. Thief, thieves. Dress, dresses. Church, churches. Box, boxes. Quiz, quizzes. Baby, babies. Lady, ladies. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Ox, oxen. Child, children. Man, mouse and mice. Okay, students, keep doing your work. Stay home. Keep safe.